Good morning, students. Today we'll see few more examples from the exercise 2b of the chapter 2 exponents. The first question 7, simplify and express as positive indices. The first example, in bracket x raised to x raised to n y raised to minus m bracket close raised to the power 4 multiply with, in another bracket, x raised to 3 y raised to the power minus 2 raised to the bracket power minus n. So we will express this expression with the positive index. So solution, in bracket x raised to n y raised to minus m raised to the power 4 multiply with the, in bracket x raised to power 3 y raised to power minus 2 raised to the power minus n. See, we can write this x raised to n raised to the power 4, in bracket y raised to minus m raised to the power 4. We can write this also x raised to the power 3 raised to the power minus n, in bracket y raised to the power minus 2 raised to the bracket power minus n. As we know that a multiply with b raised to the power n is equal to a raised to n multiply by b raised to the n. So we can write this x raised to the power 4n multiply with y raised to the power minus 4m x raised to the power minus 3n y raised to the power 2n, minus 2 multiply with the minus n, so it is plus 2n. According to this rule, a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m multiply by n. So now see, here x raised to the power 4n, here x to raised to the power minus 3n, base are same, so we can do the addition of indices. So x raised to the power 4n plus, in bracket, minus 3n. So now y raised to the power minus 4m, y raised to the power 2n. So the base are same, so we can do the addition of these indices. So which is y raised to 2n minus 4m. So here x raised to 4n plus minus minus 3n. So 4n minus 3n. So x raised to n and y raised to 2n minus 4n. Now we'll see second example. See, in bracket 32 x raised to the power minus 5 divided by 243 y raised to the power minus 5 bracket close raised to the power minus 1 upon 5. Now see, solution, we have to express this expression in a positive index. So 32 x raised to the power minus 5 raised to the power minus 5 in divided by 243 y raised to the power minus 5 in bracket raised to the power minus 1 upon 5. Now see, 2 raised to 5 means 32, x raised to minus 5 and bracket raised to the power minus 1 upon 5. Here 243, 3 raised to the power 5 means 243, y raised to minus 5 bracket close raised to the power minus 1 upon 5. Then we can write 2 raised to 5, we can write separate 2 raised to 5 raised to the power minus 1 upon 5, x in bracket x raised to the power minus 5 raised to the power minus 1 upon 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 5 raised to the bracket power minus 1 upon 5, in bracket y raised to the power minus 5 raised to the bracket power minus 1 upon 5. Now see, this 5 cancel, so 2 raised to minus 1, then this 5 minus 1 multiply with minus 1, so plus 1, so x as it is, 3 raised to 5, this 5 cancel, 3 raised to the power minus 1, then this 5 ones are 5, minus 1 multiply with minus 1 plus 1, so y as it is. So we can write 2 raised to the power minus 1 means we can write 1 upon 2 multiply with the x divided by 3 raised to the power minus 1, which is equal to 1 upon 3 multiply with the y, so which is equal to x divided by 2 divided by y upon 3, so x upon 2, so reciprocal of y upon 3 is 3 divided by y, so product of numerators 3x and product of denominators 2y, so which is the required answer. Now we will see next question from this exercise. Question 8, show that in bracket x raised to a divided by x raised to the power minus p raised to the bracket power a minus b in bracket x raised to b raised divided by x raised to the power minus c bracket close bracket raised to the power b minus c in bracket x raised to c divided by x raised to minus a bracket close raised to the power c minus a is equal to 1. So we will consider first left hand side, so left hand side part which is given. Now we can write this as x raised to a raised to the power a minus b divided by x raised to the power minus b raised to the bracket power a minus b, then x raised to b in bracket raised to the power b minus c, x raised to the power minus c raised to the power b minus c. Here in bracket x raised to c raised to the power of bracket c minus a divided by in bracket x raised to the power minus a raised to the power c minus a, so which is equal to, as we know so we can write x raised to the power a in bracket a minus b divided by x raised to the power minus b in bracket a minus b, x raised to the power b in bracket b minus c divided by x raised to the power minus c in bracket b minus c, x raised to the power c in bracket c minus a divided by x raised to the power minus a in bracket c minus a. Now you multiply a inside the bracket, here minus b inside the bracket to each term, here b also inside the bracket of each term, minus c multiply inside the bracket of each term, here also multiply c each term of this bracket, here minus a multiply to each term of this bracket, so we get x raised to a square minus ab divided by x raised to minus ba plus b square, then x raised to b square minus bc divided by x raised to minus cb plus c square into x raised to c square minus ca divided by x raised to minus ac plus a square. Now see, we will do the product of means what numerators we can write it is, but and here the denominators, so base are same x, so we can do the addition of indices, so therefore x raised to the a square minus ab plus b square minus bc plus c square minus ca divided by same in denominator base are same, so we will do the addition of indices, x raised to minus ba plus b square, then minus cb plus c square, then minus ac plus a square. So we can write in proper way this, here x raised to a square plus b square plus c square, then minus ab minus bc minus ca divided by x raised to the power a square plus b square plus c square, then minus ab minus bc and minus ca. Now this will cancel, ones are, so which is equal to 1 and which is equal to right hand side. Now we will see next question from this exercise. The question number 13, find the value of n when first 12 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 12 raised to the power 2n plus 1 is equal to 12 raised to the power 13 divided by 12 raised to the power 7. Now solution. Here we have to find out the value of n from this expression. So here base are same, so we can do the addition of indices. So 12 raised to minus 5 plus 2n plus 1, which is equal to 12 raised to the 13 divided by 12 raised to the 7. So this implies that here minus 5 plus 1 minus 4, so 2n minus 4, so 12 raised to the power 2n minus 4, which is equal to 12 raised to the power 13 into, here in denominator 12 raised to the power 7. So when we take the numerator, so it is 12 raised to the power minus 7. So this implies that 12 raised to the power 2n minus 4 is equal to, here base are same, so we can do the addition of indices. So 12 raised to the 13 minus 7, so which is equal to 12 raised to 2n minus 4 is equal to 13 minus 7, that is say 6. So 12 raised to 6. So this implies that from this equation base are same, so this implies that 2n minus 4 is equal to 6. So which is equal to 2n is equal to 6 minus 4, that side if you are taking, so it is plus 4. So 2n is equal to 10. So n is equal to 10 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. So while n is equal to 5. So therefore the value of n is 5. So students, today we shall stop here. Try to solve more example at home, and we'll see chapter 3rd in next period, squares and square roots. Thank you.